Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking for other interesting cars, tracks in green grass. Okay, now start checking. The first one is an off-road car, but this one is broken off-road car. How about this one? A big track. This one is a nice track. How about this? Red racing car. This one is a nice red racing car, number 95. Everybody, so now we can see some interesting cars in deep grass. The hero is an Iron Man, everybody. An Iron Man, mini Iron Man. A petroleum truck, a cute petroleum truck. Another interesting truck. This one is a bigger truck. How about this? A cute truck, mini cute truck. Okay, after we check a mini cute truck, now I found a police super motorbike, red color. Everybody, so now we can see another interesting hero, Captain America. Captain America, mini Captain America. Yellow car. This one is a broken yellow car. You can see a broken yellow car. How about this one? Cars transporter. Cars transporter. Okay, so now check another one. This one is a garbage truck. Garbage truck, everybody. Okay, everyone, looking for another interesting truck in deep grass. This one is a cute truck. Everyone, so now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.